Python has become one of the most widely used programming languages across the globe, and India, as one of the fastest-growing technology hubs, has embraced it across various industries. From startups to multinational corporations, Python plays a critical role in powering web applications, AI, data science, automation, and fintech solutions in India. If you're wondering which Indian companies use Python and how they leverage its capabilities, this article will give you an in-depth look. India's technology sector is home to a variety of businesses, including IT service providers, product-based companies, startups, and research organizations. Python is used in these companies for web development, artificial intelligence, data science, automation, and cloud computing. Let's explore some of the top Indian companies that rely on Python. Company number 1, Infosys inside IT services and consulting. How Infosys uses Python. Infosys, one of India's largest IT service providers, leverages Python for building AI-driven applications, automation, and cloud-based solutions. The company uses Python in data science and analytics. Infosys provides data-driven insights using Python's Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib. Machine learning and AI. The company integrates Python with TensorFlow and scikit-learn for predictive analytics. Automation. Infosys automates repetitive tasks for its clients using Python-based scripting solutions. Python's scalability allows Infosys to serve its global clients efficiently, making it a key language in their technology stack. Company number 2, Tata Consultancy Services. TCS inside IT services and consulting. How TCS uses Python? TCS, India's largest IT company, provides solutions to clients worldwide. Python is widely used for AI and machine learning. TCS uses Python for deep learning models, customer sentiment analysis, and fraud detection. Data science. Python is used for big data processing, visualization, and business intelligence solutions. Cloud computing. TCS leverages Python for developing cloud-based applications and microservices. TCS has adopted Python to automate IT processes, streamline operations, and enhance decision-making for businesses worldwide. Company number 3, Wipro, inside IT services and consulting. How Wipro uses Python. Wipro is a leading Indian IT services firm that incorporates Python into cybersecurity. Python scripts are used to detect and prevent cyber threats. Robotic process automation, RPA. Wipro builds automation frameworks using Python. Web development. Python frameworks like Django and Flask are used for building scalable applications. Wipro's extensive use of Python makes it an essential skill for developers looking to work in IT consulting and automation. Company number 4, HCL Technologies, inside IT services and consulting. How HCL uses Python. HCL Technologies, a leading IT solutions provider, relies on Python for cloud and DevOps. HCL automates cloud deployment using Python scripting, AI, and data science. Python is used for analyzing and processing vast data sets. Web and mobile applications. Python is integrated into web-based applications and backend services. With a strong focus on AI-driven solutions, HCL continues to use Python to develop next-generation applications. Company number 5, Tech Mahindra, inside IT and telecom solutions. How Tech Mahindra uses Python. Tech Mahindra, a major player in IT and telecommunications, applies Python in AI-driven customer support. Chatbots and virtual assistants are powered by Python-based NLP models. IoT solutions. Python is used in developing smart city projects and industrial automation. Cloud services. Tech Mahindra's cloud solutions leverage Python for automation and deployment. The company actively seeks Python developers for its AI and IoT projects, making it a great place for tech enthusiasts. Company number 6, Flipkart, inside e-commerce industry. How Flipkart uses Python. As India's largest homegrown e-commerce platform, Flipkart integrates Python into various aspects of its operations. Recommendation engines. Python-based machine learning models personalize user recommendations. Data analytics. Flipkart processes customer and sales data using Python. Supply chain optimization. Python helps streamline logistics and warehouse management. Python enables Flipkart to enhance user experiences and optimize business operations efficiently. Company number 7. Zomato. Inside Food Tech. How Zomato uses Python? Zomato, one of India's most successful food delivery platforms, uses Python for AI-powered search and recommendations. Python is used to enhance search filters and recommend restaurants. Geospatial data analysis. Python helps optimize delivery routes. Fraud detection. Machine learning models in Python analyze fraudulent activities on the platform. Zomato's use of Python highlights how tech-driven companies are revolutionizing traditional industries. Company number 8, Swiggy, Inside Food Tech. How Swiggy uses Python. Swiggy, another leading food delivery company, relies on Python for AI and predictive analytics. Python-based algorithms predict peak demand and optimize delivery times. Logistics and route planning. Python automates route optimization for efficient deliveries. Chatbots and customer support automation. Python-powered chatbots assist customers in real time. Python helps Swiggy scale its operations efficiently, making deliveries faster and more reliable. Company number 9, Paytm Inside FinTech. How Paytm uses Python. Paytm, India's leading digital payment platform, integrates Python into fraud detection and risk analysis. AI models in Python detect fraudulent transactions. Real-time data processing. Python helps analyze user transactions and behavioral data. Chatbots and AI assistants. Paytm's AI-driven chatbots use Python-based NLP tools. Python's role in fintech is growing rapidly, and Paytm is at the forefront of this transformation. Company number 10, Zerodha Inside Stock Trading and Fintech. How Zerodha uses Python. Zerodha, India's largest stock brokerage firm, utilizes Python for algorithmic trading. Python-powered trading bots execute trades based on market conditions. Data analysis. Python helps traders analyze stock market trends. Risk management. Python-based AI models assess risk factors in real time. Python has revolutionized fintech, and Zerodha's reliance on it highlights its importance in stock trading. Company number 11, Freshworks Inside SaaS, Software as a Service. How Freshworks uses Python? Freshworks, an Indian SaaS unicorn, integrates Python in customer support automation. Python-based AI chatbots improve customer interactions. CRM and data analytics. Python helps process customer data for better insights. Cloud applications. Freshworks cloud-based platforms leverage Python for scalability. Python plays a crucial role in SaaS companies, allowing them to build innovative AI-powered solutions. Company number 12, Ola Inside Ride-Hailing. How Ola uses Python. Ola, India's largest ride-hailing platform, depends on Python for demand forecasting. Python models predict peak demand in different locations. Route optimization. Python algorithms improve driver and passenger matching. Pricing models. Dynamic pricing is adjusted using Python-based AI models. Python enables Ola to optimize operations and provide seamless experiences to users. Company number 13, Razorpay Inside FinTech. How Razorpay uses Python. Razorpay, a fast-growing digital payments company, uses Python for transaction processing. Python ensures secure and fast payment transactions. Fraud detection. AI-driven fraud analysis helps prevent unauthorized transactions. Merchant analytics. Python-based dashboards help businesses track financial performance. Python's presence in the fintech sector continues to expand, with Razorpay at the forefront. Why Python is a must-know language in India? Python's widespread adoption by top Indian companies demonstrates its growing importance in the tech industry. Here's why aspiring developers should consider learning Python. High demand. Python skills are sought after across multiple industries, from IT services to fintech and e-commerce. Career growth. Many of India's top tech firms actively hire Python developers. Versatility. Python can be used in AI, web development, data science, and cloud computing. With Python playing such a crucial role in India's technology landscape, learning it can open doors to lucrative and exciting career opportunities. India's biggest companies, from IT giants like Infosys and TCS to innovative startups like Zerodha and Razorpay, are leveraging Python to drive business growth. Whether it's AI, automation, fintech, or e-commerce, Python is shaping the future of technology in India. For aspiring programmers, this is an exciting time. Learning Python can position you for a rewarding career in India's booming tech industry. With companies increasingly adopting Python for critical applications, now is the perfect time to master this powerful language and be part of the digital revolution.